Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Hamster Kombat to your wallet. If this video will be helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now once you are on your Hamster Kombat, you want to click on airdrop, and now you will see your token available, and now you're going to click on withdrawal option and you will see direct claim. Now we're going to choose it. And now you need to connect your wallet. So you're going to connect any wallet you have. I'm just going to choose my Telegram wallet or any of these. Now you're going to see this option to connect the Hamster Kombat. So click connect. And now, as you can see, there are insufficient funds for a transaction. You need to have at least 0.13 ton in your wallet. So make sure you have it. And once you will have it, you're going to click withdraw, and that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.